welcome to the Pacific Echo. For this video, I am going to show you how to use the Pythagorean equation. So we are going to look at the problem statement and the questions. Alright, so first of all, let's look at the problem statement. So two neighbors are arguing over a fence boundary. One side of the land measures 6 centimeters and the other side measures 8 centimeters, forming a right angle right here. Alright, the dispute fence runs diagonal across the line. So this is the dispute fence. So the question is, what is the exact length of the fence or the diagonal boundary? So what is the length of the diagonal boundary? So we are going to find out the length of the diagonal boundary or the exact length of the fence. Now, in order to find the exact length of the fence, we are going to use the Pythagorean equation, and that is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Alright, so we are going to use the Pythagorean equation. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you understand the Pythagorean equation and how to use it. Okay, so now we have the Pythagorean equation written there. So let's continue. Now we have the numbers given here. We have 8 and then we have 6 centimeters. So we are going to substitute that into the Pythagorean equation. So there we go. We have a squared. Let's say a is 6 squared and b is 8 centimeters or 8 squared, which is equals to the c squared, which is unknown. Alright, so the first step there is we have to square the sides. So 6 squared is equals to 36 plus 8 squared is equals to 64. And the next step after that is you have to add the result. So 36 add with 64 is equals to 100. So 100 over there, and it's not yet over. The next step is we are going to find the square root of 100. So there we go. 6c squared is equals to the square root of 100, and the square root of 100 is equal to 10. There we go. So the final answer is the diagonal boundary. The diagonal boundary is equals to 10 centimeters. Thank you.